Welcome everyone to the question number 7 anagram from the topic strings in Geek for Geeks must do coding interview question. Have a quick look at the question. I will be discussing the meaning and the approach to it. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you have any extra email IDs, please do subscribe with those and show your support. And if you have any doubts, just give a comment below and we'll be very quick to respond. Now let us discuss the meaning of the question. Here in this question, it is saying that there are two strings given. One is A and another is B. Now the question is saying we have to count the number of characters in A and number of characters in B. Okay, for each individual character, the number of count should be same. For example, in this A, we have two G's, and in this B also we have two G's. Okay, we only have to check if the count is same or not. If the count is not same, it is not anagram. But if the count is same, it is an anagram, and we have to check for all the characters like that. I hope you have understood the meaning. Okay, now let's see by adding those dictionaries. The A string has been added to a AD dictionary, and this B string has been added to a BD dictionary. After adding, you can see G is 2, E is 4, K is 2, 5 is, the S is 2, F is 1, O is 1, R is 1. And it is same for the other string variable also. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to compare. After adding this, we have to compare the length of this. To compare length of AD and BD. If the length is same, then only we proceed. If the length is not same, then it means it is not anagram. Okay, now in case of the length of same, we have to check for the count. Okay, is the count of the G from the AD and from the BD same or not? Yes, it is same. Then we proceed further. We check for other E values also. For E same, for K is same, for S is same, for F is also same, and for O and R also same. So if every character has the same count as in another dictionary, then means it is an anagram. Then we return true to the function. If it's everything is same, then it is true. If any character is different, for example, there is one E missing in the second example, and the count will be 3 here. Okay, in case one E is missing, then count will be 3. So when we check the value of E from AD and BD, then the value is different. Okay, in that case, we'll immediately return false. Okay, I hope you have understood the meaning of anagram and how to implement it. If you still haven't understood, let's go to the coding section and do the question. Now we're inside the coding part here. And as you can see, we have taken two dictionaries and we have stored the character count in each of the dictionary. First dictionary is storing the A string count and second dictionary is storing the B string count. After storing those values, here we have to check if the length is same or not. If the length is same, then we proceed further. If length is not same, then it is not an anagram and return false in that case. Okay, if the length is same, then we take the key values from one dictionary. You can take from D or you can take from E also, it doesn't matter. Okay, whatever you take the D or V value, so in the if condition, that should be the opposite one. In this case, we have taken D in the iteration. Okay, now we are comparing if that element is present inside the E dot keys or not. If it is not present, then we immediately return false. Okay, if it is present, okay, we go to the else condition. In that also there is one more condition. If dx is not equal to vx, okay, here we are seeing if the key is present or not. Here we are comparing the value. The value is not present, then we return false immediately. Okay, after iterating all the values, if we are not facing any problem, that means the every character and the count is same, so we can return true immediately here. I hope you have understood the question and the code to it. If you like the video, please give us a like and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any extra email IDs, please do subscribe and show your support. Thank you for watching till the end. Let's meet in another question. I think I made a mistake, a small one.